Hello friends, Sorin here. Welcome back to our course. Welcome back to our next lecture. In this lecture I wanted to show you guys a tool that you can use to create viral images. You know already those viral images with quotes that go all over the social media platforms. They are practically hijacking any type of traffic on social media. Okay, they are everywhere and people love them. And depending on the industry, for example, you can use them if you are a trainer, if you are in network marketing, maybe if you are into personal development, if you are a life coach or a business development coach, or a leadership instructor or something like that. Okay, because practically these images are the most relevant for people that are into personal development and other stuff like that. So the tool that I'm showing you here, as you can see here on my screen, it's called Quozio.com. Okay, it's a very simple app. You can log in with your Facebook account. You have to be logged into your Facebook account, and I will show you exactly right now how you can do that. I will just log in with my Facebook account. Okay, it's actually very simple. I will not allow the platform immediately to post anything on my wall, okay, or to my friends publicly, but I will allow it to log in with my Facebook account. Okay, and this is exactly what you will see on your first page. You just enter your quote. For example, I've made a very special quote today that I've posted on my social media account, and I will show you. It's something like blah blah. Okay, blah blah. This sends a very powerful message to the audience. I'm joking with you, right? But you can find different types of quotes in different places on the internet. You just can go on Google and find a lot of websites where you can find famous quotes in absolutely every single niche that you could think about, also with their authors and everything that you need. Okay, so don't worry about that. So you just type in your quote here, and you then type the name of the author, the mighty. Okay, and that's it. Then you press the button go. Very simple stuff. Okay, this is rocket science, guys, as you can see. So but this is actually very efficient, and I don't know if you guys are watching over this whole personal development, okay, trend that is going on, but people actually follow a lot these images, and they can create viral exposure for your brand, and they are even more powerful if you have a personal brand that you can develop for yourself. Okay, and then you have different templates of text that you can use. For example, you can use a whiteboard. Okay, I'm waiting for it to load like this. Okay, you can use other templates, okay, like this one. So you have different backgrounds that you can actually use. You can find them here in the menu. Okay, you just press on the buttons, on the small arrows, to go to the other templates that you can choose from. So you have a couple of very good templates here that you can choose. So this is obviously a very simple to use tool that you can use actually for your social media accounts. If you, exactly as I've told you before, if you are in this industry where this type of images go viral, okay, in this type of posts. I've seen many personal and public persons that are using this type of images and work for them very well. But as I've told you before, it depends very much on the niche you are in, because otherwise, if you are using them in the unsuited niche, to say so, you may make a fool out of yourself. Okay, I don't know how to say it otherwise, but you can become a fool out of yourself. Okay, you can make a fool out of yourself if you are using this type of images in other niches. So be very careful in what type of niches you are using this. And after that, how you save your image is actually very simple. You right click on the image, save image as, and after that you just upload it to your social account wherever you want to upload it. Obviously you can automatically share it on Google, okay, from here, or other on Facebook, Google Plus, Tweet, or anything else, or other platforms where you actually have a button to do that for. Okay, so I hope this was helpful for you guys. Obviously, as you can see here, you also have my quotes section. And I recommend this app to you if you want to do something very quick, very efficient, and if it's suited for your niche, and only if it's suited for your niche. I hope this was helpful for you guys. I thank you very much for your attention. You already know you are awesome, and I send you my best regards and best wishes. Till next lecture, bye bye. Sorin here.